how are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing new ingredient that you are going to be applying on the skin, and combining honey and plus other very healthy ingredients would help your skin. Like, hold on, before I even say that, let's get right into the video so that you know and see how effective this is going to be on the skin. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video in your way in. And let me take you right in. Okay guys, so let me show you how this is actually going to affect your face positively, removing all of the roughness and equally making your face really smooth. Okay, what we're going to do is that we're going to be needing tomato plus other 3 ingredients. Okay, now this is actually going to help you a whole lot. Like, trust me, watch this video to the end, because you are going to be seeing all of the magic that this is going to do onto your face, literally. Okay, now what we'll do is I will create the tomato. Alright guys, so after which I've actually created this, I would have to sieve it because I need the smooth paste. Okay, so I have to do it this way, and so I can have just the smooth paste from this. Right. Okay, so this is a smooth paste. This is basically what I needed. Yeah, very smooth. Alright guys, so the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of is honey. Now honey is actually a great moisturizing agent to the skin. It helps to soften the skin and equally make the skin look really glowing and young, guys. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be taking at least 2 tablespoons of this honey. And then we're going to mix this up with this smooth tomato paste and mix it up really good. Okay, so after mixing that up, then the very next ingredient which we need here is bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now baking soda is a great ingredient that helps so much when it comes to the skin. It helps to smoothen out the skin, it helps to maintain the skin, and it also helps to leave the skin glowing and really plump up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna be putting just 1 tablespoon of my baking soda. I'm basically not going to be needing too much, and this is how the reaction you're going to get. It's going to be a little foamy. Alright, so the very last ingredient which we need here is sugar. Now you can either use your brown sugar or your white sugar. Okay, since I don't have a brown sugar right now, that's why I'm actually using my white sugar. Okay, but brown sugar would have been preferably. Now sugar has a smaller granular particles, which helps so much to make the skin smooth. It helps in rejuvenating the skin, and it also helps to maintain a glowing and a more smoother skin. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be putting about 2 tablespoons of my white sugar. Okay, just like I earlier said, if you have your brown sugar, it is very good, so you can actually use that. Okay, so I have to be putting that in, stirring that up. Okay, alright, so after stirring it up really good, yeah, we're going to be applying this onto our skin. You can apply it on your hands, you can apply it on your face, you can apply it on your neck. Now whichever place you actually want to be transformed, if you want your face to be transformed, you apply it onto your face. If you want your neck, if you want your whole body to even out, okay, you actually rub it on your whole body. But for today, guys, you're gonna excuse me because I'm gonna be applying it onto my hands. Okay, now this is actually very good for you to apply onto your face. So what you do is that you grab this smooth piece, and then you rub it all over your face, just like this. Alright, so I'll be applying that too on my right hand, because I don't want my right hand to have a different color altogether. Alright guys, so after which you apply, you would have to, rub it in a circular motion just like this. Now this would actually help to lift up all of those dead skin cells that is on your skin, is on your face. It will actually help you to remove those fine lines that is actually making you look old, and it will definitely help your skin glow and look young and look beautiful. So after which you've rubbed it this way, you have to let it sit on your skin for like 3 to 5 minutes. If you can't stay for 5 minutes, at least you can stay for like 3 minutes. 3 minutes is not a long time. Okay, now this is going to help to change your skin a whole lot. Like, it's literally going to transform your skin right from the very first day you apply this treatment onto your skin, onto your face, onto your body, literally. Okay, so for this particular treatment, it's a treatment that you can actually use every day if you so please. It's a treatment that you can use every day, and it's a treatment that you can actually store also. So you can store this into your refrigerator, and every morning you just use it, or you can even store it in your bedroom. Okay, every morning you just use it, scrub your skin, and you're going to see how your skin, your face is going to be transformed. So go give this a go. I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Okay guys, so that's it. Now, using sugar alongside with honey, like two sweet things, like, do you know how the skin needs that? My dear sweetie pie, go give this a go, and I'm very sure your skin is going to be happy, like really happy. Okay, so that's it guys. Go give this a go and apply it just the way I've told you, the days and all of that. Okay, I'll see you again in my next video, and do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe and share, and yalla, bye guys.